I can't wait to help other people embark on this same exciting journey that I had. I went to Thailand in August of 2018 and I taught there for 1 year. It was really important for me to know that TravelBud had my back and had me all set up to work legally and to make sure that I was paid on time, and that if anything wasn't in order, that I had someone that I could go to. Teaching in Thailand, I was able to adapt my own teaching styles to whatever I needed for that class. So they really did teach me how to be a more observant teacher and how to really change things to fit the needs of that class. I was so excited about my entire experience with TravelBud. I really love the company's culture. It's a young, energetic company. Everyone's super supportive. It's just really innovative, and I can't wait to help other people embark on this same exciting journey that I had.